Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I'll be doing my August favorites. As you can see, I have a new haircut, so I really like this length, so I think I'm gonna keep it this way for a while. And I also have this cool headband, which makes you feel sporty. Yeah, anyway, I don't have a lot of favorites, so let's get started with this video. I'm gonna start off with my fashion favorites, and the first thing are these pair of jeans from Cotton On. It's their mid-wide crop jeans. It's in a light washed shade, I guess, and it has these distressing at the bottom. I really like this. It fits my silhouette a lot, and I've been wearing it like crazy this month. I got it for $10 because they were on sale. Moving on to my next fashion favorite is this Roots shirt. So I got this from my godfather in Canada because we slept at his house and he treated us to some nice shirts. Basically, it's like a tourist store. So yeah, it's a Canadian brand, obviously. Because of this shirt, I've been getting into a lot of these like thick, bold text on the shirt. And I have one just like this, or like similar to this, that's from Maine. So yeah, I really like that one. It fits me very well, and I like the colors. Moving on to makeup, the first thing that I have been liking this month is this Ever Bilena lip and cheek stain that I got from the Philippines. It's for 145 pesos. I personally don't like looking pale, and I don't like the color of my lips. Yeah, this one puts the right amount of color to your face, I guess I could say. I've been using this a lot because I've been playing tennis early in the morning for our pre-season practices, and yeah, it doesn't make me look too bold wearing color on my lips, but this one is the right amount, and it makes you look like you're put together, kind of. Moving on to my next makeup favorite, it's this Thrive Cosmetics blend plus blur sponge. I kindly received this from the influencer package or box that they gave for the Thrive Cosmetics. I think it's a CC cream. I have tried the CC cream and I didn't really like it because it transferred on my clothes really easily, but the sponge is really nice. It's softer, squishier compared to the Eco Tools sponge that I have, and it blends my makeup really well. But yeah, I used this when I was in Maine and it did the job, so I really liked it. So yeah, thank you again, Thrive Cosmetics and Influencer, for sending that package to me. So yeah. Alright, let's move on to my favorite books this month. I only have one, and it's Kafka on the Shore by Haruki Murakami, of course. I read this at the beginning of the year, but I stopped because I didn't have time to read it because I was really busy that time. So now that it's summer, I got to read it. It's really good. I finally finished the book. So basically, Kafka on the Shore talks about this kid named Kafka Tamura who ran away from his home to either avoid a prophecy that his dad told him about, and also find his mom and also his sister. While he's doing that, another part of the story, which is an old guy named Nakata, he can talk to cats, and eventually both of their paths converge and eventually develop a story. It's hard to explain. The beginning of the story felt kind of slow, but as you read more into it and continue reading the other chapters, it's really good. But yeah, I love Haruki Murakami, so definitely recommend his books. Moving on to shows and movies. So I watched a lot of shows and movies this month, and I really loved all of them. So even though I was busy this month, I still got to watch a lot of shows. First off the list is Fresh Off the Boat. It's a story of an Asian American family who moved from Washington DC to Orlando, Florida. It shows how they've lived their life, I guess. It's really funny. I love it. I'm on season 3 right now. It's a 5-season show. I think there's another season coming up this September. I really recommend it to you guys if you want a sitcom to watch, because it's really good. The next thing that I watched is a movie, and it's To All the Boys I've Loved Before. A lot of people have been raving about it. It was released, I think, at the end of the month or something, and it was really good. I really liked it. It's cute and sweet, kind of cliche, but it's pretty good. I also really liked how it shows Asian American representation, because not a lot of films do that. Similar to Fresh Off the Boat, it's Asian American. Yeah, I really like how the media is portraying more like Asians into the film scene, because I haven't seen a lot of like films like that. So yeah, the next is a show on Netflix as well. It's called The End of the Effing World. It's really good. A friend recommended it to me like during the school year, but I've only ended up watching it now, and it's really short. I finished it within a day. It revolves around this kid named James who thinks he's a psychopath, and then another girl, I think her name's Alyssa, who is just sad about her family because her mom married another guy and she's basically off the picture. Her stepdad really hates her, so yeah, they basically run away from their homes, try to find their own refuge, and yeah, chaotic events eventually ensue, and it's really good. I really liked the plot of it. I love how the actors did their parts so well done. My last favorite is a movie, and it's a Filipino movie, and it's called 7 Sundays. It's about a dad who gets diagnosed with lung cancer, and the doctor said that he has like 7 weeks to live, but his children hate each other. Not really hate each other, but they have like a bad relationship with one another, and they haven't visited the dad in a while. So for 7 weeks they try to make up for that. And yeah, I don't want to spoil the movie completely, but that's pretty much like what the story is about. So moving on to the last favorite, and it's my music favorites. I've literally only listened to like one album this month. My next favorite is Love Yourself Answer, because it was released in August, at the end of August I think, like kind of towards the end, and I love it. I've been listening to it like crazy every single day. It's a good conclusion to the Love Yourself series, but I really can't wait to see what happens after, like a sequel, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna do that. Definitely recommend it. The 7 new songs are amazing. Definitely do listen to it. So that marks the end of my August favorites, as well as the month of August and the start of the new school year. That marks the end of the summer as well. Yeah, this summer was productive in all honesty. I've done a lot of things. I feel like I felt like I've done my responsibilities, and like I've made my summer productive. So hopefully the new school year is gonna be fine for you all, and as well as for me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Definitely really appreciate that one. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a 16-year-old YouTuber, and I make fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and travel videos. So if you like that stuff, go ahead and subscribe. It's right down below. It's free. You can watch my past videos too if you're bored. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go head out, and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye. Have a nice day. 거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비치듯이 Life falling